If you want to permanently delete your YouTube TV account, follow these steps carefully to ensure your account is removed successfully. Step 1. Sign into YouTube TV. Log into your YouTube TV account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Membership. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Membership tab. This section contains details about your subscription and account status. Step 4. Cancel membership. Look for the option to cancel your membership. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Know that you must cancel your membership before you can delete your account. Step 5. Delete accounts. After cancelling your membership, return to the Settings menu. Find the option for Delete Account and follow the instructions provided to permanently delete your YouTube TV account. Once you have completed these steps, your YouTube TV account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to double check that you have saved any important information before proceeding, as this action cannot be undone.